the top 5 fat loss steps. This is a different video than a lot of other fat loss steps because we're gonna skip the basics and we're gonna get right down to one of the most important things that affects your transformation, affects your ability to lose fat rather than store it. We're talking about insulin. Insulin is the fat storage hormone. So whatever we can do to lower our insulin levels is going to give you a rapid advantage to losing fat, to really burning it and getting the most out of your training, getting the most out of your exercises. I'm Ryan Engel, founder of RE Fitness. This is Coach's Corner. Every week we go and dive into a new topic, quick and potent videos to give you an advantage on getting it done. Tens of thousands of transformations worldwide. I hinge most of them on a very powerful tactic. This is intermittent fasting. This is eating within a window that lowers your insulin. So without a doubt, step number 1 is to adhere to an eating window. 16 and 8 is the most common window that I recommend. 12 and 12 is another window for beginners. All that means is you're gonna condense all your meals to an 8 or 12-hour window. It's a disciplined way to not only increase your mental focus, boost your growth hormone, and expedite your fat loss. So this is going to be a key. This is step number 1, is to start using intermittent fasting. We're not gonna overcomplicate that. I dive in and tell you exactly what to eat and when and everything you need to know about intermittent fasting in my 100% free course, which is above or below the link to this video. Tap that to grab that free course. Step number 2 is to lower your carb intake. This is so vital to you, but more specifically, to lower your carb intake and make a little bit of a shift. You're gonna switch all the carbs that you eat from processed carbs to complex carbs. Complex carbs take your body time and energy to break down. Simple carbs are filled with sugar, and sugar is what's going to spike that insulin level. Switching over to mainly complex carbs is one of the smartest things you can do. Again, in the free course, I actually name the specific carbs that you're gonna use while intermittent fasting. Step number 3 is what I call HIIT consistency. I did not say cardio and I did not say weight training. I specifically said HIIT consistency. 15 to 20 minutes of training, a quick workout that you can do from your house. You don't need anything more than your floor and a timer. This type of workout removes all excuses and it increases your metabolism, especially when done outside of the fasted window. So every single day, 7 days a week, you're gonna grab a calendar and you're gonna put little X's or check boxes, whatever you need to do to make sure that you're doing a new workout every single day. I drop a ton of HIIT routines. Just scroll my timeline and you're sure to find some great ones. Number 4 is to balance your fats and your proteins. This is so key. We talked about complex carbs. That's a no-brainer. Now switching gears, are you eating enough protein? You should always aim to eat 3 to 4 high protein meals within the course of your day. And believe me, this is a fat loss video. These are the steps to lose fat loss and lower that insulin level. It is paramount that you get high protein. This is satiating. It fills you up. It spikes that growth hormone. It repairs your muscle fibers from doing the HIIT routines on the daily. This will help you build lean muscle. This helps your RMR, that's your resting metabolic rate. So you've got to get that high protein in. And the second part of that tip is to make sure that you're balancing your healthy fats. This means at least twice a day you're going to take in healthy fats. My go-to is always going to be coconut oil. I also recommend almonds for on the go. This is super easy to eat and more convenient to have in your car. You can carry it around with you. But if you do not get your healthy fats in, you're going to have imbalance in your big macros. It's going to throw your whole system off and it will give you headaches. So what a lot of people do on a crash diet is they pull all their carbs, but they don't have any fats as energy, and that's why they fail. So make sure that you're balancing those proteins and those healthy fats. And number 5 is to get your basic supplements. I'm not talking about your fat burners. We are going right to the source, and we're talking about our basic vitamins and minerals. That's fish oil, CLA-tonylin, vitamin D3, and vitamin C. These are all the basic supplements that you should be taking on a daily. Even feel free to throw a multivitamin in, but having those basic supplements are gonna get you on your way. Use these tips as long as you are intermittent fasting. This is so key to getting that insulin level down and to get that transformation underway and get it done. There's a 100% free course that I have created. Tap the link in this description to get access to that. We're gonna cover exactly how to run IF. I'm Ryan Engel, founder of RE Fitness. This is Coach's Corner. If I don't talk to you sooner, I will see you in the next one. Anything that I mentioned in this video, links above or below in the description. I'll see you soon.